In whole world, we all have pets in our home as we love pets so much. But do we actually know the language of our pets, either it's dog or cat? We always call our pet by his name, but actually we found one language that blow your mind with real-life experience that works with the pet, especially with cats. Are you pet lover? How do you call to your cat? I hope so that you call by pet name, like Max, Bella or Charlie. Let me show you real example in cat language. If you try to call your cat by ma-ah, that means in animal language, come here. See these real-world pet lovers videos.
Meow. Meow. What the? Oh my god. Oh shit.
Anna. Meow.